You have a list of massive life goals, but when you sit down at your desk to actually start working on them, you freeze. The standard diagnosis is that you are simply exhausted, or perhaps you haven't read the right business book or found the exact step-by-step roadmap yet. But if you look at the mechanics of the brain, the problem is simpler. Your biological operating system is so overstimulated that it has entirely lost the capacity to focus. Look at a normal workspace today. You have an iPad pinging, a phone lighting up with notifications, and a desktop running a constant Twitter feed on a second monitor. This environment actively trains your brain to break its own concentration every few seconds. Before we fix that, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and share this video with a best friend who needs a focus reset. You can absorb all the tactical advice in the world, but if your underlying system is too fractured to execute a single task for 30 minutes, that knowledge is completely useless. This fractured state leads directly into a behavioral trap called productive procrastination. This diagram illustrates the trap. You binge watch videos, triggering a dopamine spike, making you feel successful, but resulting in zero action. You loop back to the start. As this repeats, your brain's stimulation threshold ticks higher, demanding more cheap dopamine just to feel normal. You cannot outlearn a fried dopamine baseline. The only path forward is to physically starve the brain of this cheap stimulation. Think of this dopamine detox as a hard reset button. It is a short, intense 7-day period, not a permanent lifestyle change. Pillar 1 is strict. For the next week, restrict your mobile screen time to exactly 1 hour a day. If your job requires communication apps like WhatsApp or Slack, move them entirely to a desktop environment. This keeps your work purposeful and stops the physical reflex of picking up your phone to scroll. Pillar 2 is zero YouTube. Completely eliminate it for 7 days. That includes educational content, self-improvement guides, and yes, even videos like this one. When the detox is over, install a browser plugin that hides algorithmic recommendations. This forces you to use the platform as a deliberate tool, searching only for what you need rather than pulling the lever on a slot machine. These first 2 pillars target the physical reflexes. They sever the automated habit of grabbing a screen the exact second you feel a twinge of boredom. Welcome to the hard reset. If you are committed to the next 7 days, hit subscribe and drop a comment below letting me know you are in. Pillar 3 goes after internal stimulation control. Eliminate all adult films, 18+ content, and obsessively scrolling through social media models. Deriving intense biological pleasure from digital pixels actively divorces you from the reality of pursuing physical, human connections. Unfollow the feeds and mute the accounts. Pillar 4 requires exactly 10 minutes of daily meditation. You will practice the physical act of sitting in total silence, with zero external input. The first 48 hours of this will feel excruciating. Your brain is used to constant noise, and it will actively go into a state of withdrawal from its usual digital feed. Lean into that discomfort. By deliberately denying the brain its cheap hits of dopamine, you force the entire biological system to reboot back to its factory defaults. This graph shows the biological payoff after day 7. Your erratic, elevated stimulation threshold crashes down, establishing a stable new baseline. Because it is so low, tasks that previously felt agonizingly difficult will easily trigger a deep flow state. You will start deriving genuine pleasure from incredibly simple things. Just walking down a city street, listening to the ambient noise without headphones becomes highly enjoyable. When your brain is calibrated this way, the friction that usually keeps you from starting difficult work evaporates. Progress becomes a byproduct of your environment, because deep work is no longer a test of willpower. It is simply what your brain finds most satisfying. Once the hardware is completely rebooted, you need to install the right long-term software. This is a protocol known as monk mode. While the dopamine detox is a short, severe starvation period, monk mode is a sustainable lifestyle. It relies on dedicated, multi-month cycles of deep, unbroken focus, balanced with periods of normal living. Locking onto a single task for hours on end is the actual mechanism for success. Focus, not hidden knowledge, dictates who reaches their goals. I want to hear from you in the comments below. Which of the 4 pillars, screen time, zero YouTube, pixel starvation, or meditation, do you think will be the most difficult for you to complete? Thank you for watching. Your hard reset begins tomorrow morning. I will see you in the next one.